Now, feet off the pedals for me. Looking into the skies. Wait for that green light there. We have 2 reds, 3 reds, 4 reds. We wait. It is green and we are racing and away they go. Number 7 with an instant reaction there. It was a bit of a shock for her. Oh, we're going to go. Number 4 there. Making it very steadily in this early stage. Away he goes. Leader here, number 2, and all sorts of difficulty here. Away you go, number 2, through there. And down the back straight goes number 2 there. It's a hectic pace there for number 2. Controls the power. Away goes number 10. 4 through. 7 is through. It seems hard work down there. Number 10, away you go, young man. Number 3 then in second place, 5 is in third. I was right about you in number 1. Number 9 in 4th, 7 in 5th, 2 in 6th place, number 10 in 7th, 4 in 8th, 8 in 9th place there. We've got 4 minutes of racing to go here. There's plenty of time, drivers. So the EcoVelocity crowd there wait patiently now for their opportunity to do some touring cars. Hi guys, how you doing out there? We haven't forgot you, we'll see you soon. About 3 hours. Because when you get down there, there's a little 10 zigzags. Honestly, we've got 2.5 minutes of racing.